Well, ran into my first problem. Cut dogs down for a second.
Lambo to it, I'm speeding. Sunday, she calling me baby. You don't even know the meaning. Good gas got him fatty. Will it be me got him dreaming. All black got me trending. Red cool, red feather. Break the law, don't bend it. Save your money, don't spend it. Do the shit, don't think about it. Boy, your diamonds looking hella cloudy.
It's minor though, but apparently I put too much oil in there the other day when I left the exhaust shop. It was acting a little weird. I had a weird dipstick in there and ended up putting too much oil in there, so let's get it. Let's get that face of shame. This is the signature rodeo jacket. Come on, man. Come on, big shit. Race car drivers wearing this shit, bro. Let's get that face of shame. But yeah, so I'm about to get it towed. Tomorrow we're gonna actually just do a total oil change. Get new oil put on there. Get some new oil put in there. Take all the oil out. I'm gonna put exactly 5 in there because I don't feel like guessing the extra oil I put in there to take it out. And should be back running after that. I do feel like I may have a starter problem. I don't know. Take a little bit to get it cranked up. Gotta give it gas and all that. And it wasn't doing that before, but we'll see. We'll see what's the word on that. So, yep. First problem, come with the territory. I ain't tripping. I'm excited. Let me get my baby towed. All right, let me see. Oh, no, it's good.
The older cars were longer.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, I had to get the Cutlass towed. First tow, come with the territory. I ain't tripping. We're going to be back tomorrow. So they were letting that oil out. About went in there now, so a little bit left.
Is it running?
Yeah, it's still running. It's about done now, though. Can you jack it up a little bit? Yeah, she's just dripping now. All right. Okay. Well, got that thing back running. Got it good. Fixed it. You know what I'm saying? A little oil spot. You know how I go. But yeah, she ready to go. Easy fix. Let the oil out. Put fresh oil in. No more smoking, as you can see in the video. She running good. She fired right up. No problem. She's back like she need to be. Yes, sir.